Hi, kindergartners. I hope you're having a good morning so far. Let's have a good math meeting this morning. How many days are there in a week? Do you remember? We counted yesterday. There are 7, yeah. Let's sing the song that helps us remember all the 7 days of the week. Ready? There are 7, there are 7, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job, yeah. And what day is today? If yesterday was Monday, so what does that make today? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, today is Tuesday. Say, today is Tuesday. Go. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, good job. Let's talk about months of the year. Now that we know that today is Tuesday, how many months are there in the year? Let's count them out today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Awesome. Yeah, we have 12 months in a year. And do you remember what our new month is that we're in right now? We talked yesterday about our new month that we're in. It starts with the N sound. November. Yeah, we're in November right now. Let's sing the song that helps us remember all the 12 months of the year. Ready? You could stand up on the ground and do the dance with me too. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Sit down. Good job. Thank you, kindergartners, for doing that with me. So we can talk about, now that we know that we're in November, what day in November? Let's take a look at the calendar. Okay, so this was yesterday, November 2nd. November 2, which is November 2nd, yeah. So what is today if yesterday was the 2nd? What comes after 2nd? Yeah, after 2nd comes 3rd. And what number goes with 3rd? 3, yeah. So we have a 3 in our shape for today. What is the shape of our day today? Yeah, it's a circle, right? No sides at all. So November 3rd, 2020, right? Tuesday the 3rd. All right. Let's write that. If you want, you can grab your whiteboard or a piece of paper and write the date along with me. I'd love that, to see that. And so today's date is, we just talked about how we're in the month of November. Let's write that. What's special about the first letter of every month? Yeah, it's special because it's capitalized. It's uppercase because it's the first letter of a special name, just like your name. Yeah. So this first letter is a capital N. The N makes the N sound in November. So to make a capital N, you start at your bottom line, you go up, 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 straight up to the top, and then you slant to the right, all the way down, and you go straight up again. That's how you make a capital N for November. All right. After you've made your N, you can make, what's this letter? This little one here. Yeah, that's an O. November. That's a lowercase o. So make a nice round lowercase o. All right. What letter do we have next? November. Do you know what letter makes the sound v? V? This letter is a V. It's called a V. And to make a lowercase v, You start at your middle line, you slant down to the right, and then you slant back up. That's how you make a lowercase v. Really easy. What about this letter? We've talked about this letter before. It says the sound. November. This is a lowercase e, yeah. We also had one, we have them in October. There's an e in September. Yeah, lowercase e. So you slide to the right and then make a C. That's how you make a lowercase e. November. All right. Next we have, what letter is this? Novem. What letter makes the sound? It's a lowercase m. An M. To make an M, you start at the middle line, go down, and then you trace up and you give it 2 humps. 1 hump, 2 humps, like just like that. November. All right. What letter is next? You may recognize this letter because we had one in October too. B. What letter makes that sound? B. That's a B, yeah. To make a B, a lowercase b, you start at your top line, you go down, 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 and then you give it a belly to the right. November. All right. And then the last sound that you hear in November is that sound. And the 2 letters that make that sound are E and R. So our last thing we have to do is write an E and an R. So we have 2 E's in November, don't we? One here and one here. Let's make another E. So slide to the right and then make a C. Good job. And then our last letter is a little R, yeah. To make an R, you start at your middle line, go down, trace up, and give it a hook. That's how you spell November. Good job. And once you have your month written, what do we write next? Yeah, our day, right? What day? And we said we are on, what day are we? Yeah, the 3, November 3rd. 3 goes with third, right? First, second, third. So make a 3 because today is November 3rd. Good job. And what do we need next before we can write our year? Yeah, we need our cute little comma. Don't forget it. To make a comma, you do a little sideways smile right next to your 3. So make your comma. And then once you've made your comma, we're ready to write the year, yeah. And I know you know that we are in the year of 2020. And what's the first number in 2020? A 2, right? To make a 2, remember, curve around and slide to the right. Next, we need what number? We need a 0. Nice big 0 that matches the size of your 2. What do we need after our 0? Another 2. So curve around, slide to the right again, and then finally we need another 0. Yep. Another 0 to match that one over there. All right. So remember, today is November 3rd, 2020. Go ahead and grab your microphone so you can announce it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is November 3rd, 2020. Awesome job, kindergartners. Thank you for announcing it with me. Let's talk about how many days we've had in school. Yesterday we had, let me turn that so you can see it. Yesterday we had 41 days in school. 41. What comes after 41? After 41 comes 42. Yeah, 42. So I'm going to color in our 42nd square for our 42nd day in school. Congratulations, that's a lot of days. And you're into the second quarter now, too. That's a big deal. All right. So let's talk about how many tens and ones there are in 42. How many tens are there in 42? Can you tell me? How many tens? Yeah, there's 4 tens in 42. 4 tens. And how many ones are there in 42? Yeah, there's 2 ones in 42. All right. Let's talk about our pattern for today. Can you read what we have so far with me? Ready? 6, 5, 4. Okay, 6, 5, 4. Now this is kind of going to be a special pattern today. These numbers are not going to repeat. The pattern today is actually whatever this number is minus 1, taking away 1. So if you take 6 and take away 1, you get to 5. If you take 5 and you take away 1, you get 4. So if you take 4 and take away 1 and you minus 1, what do you get? What's 4 take away 1 minus 1? If it helps, you can always look at a number line for these kinds of problems. So let's look at our days in school number line. If you have 4 and you go back 1, what do you have? Yeah, you have 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So if you're writing the pattern with me, you go down and around again for 3. So let's continue the pattern. What do you have if you have 3 and you minus 1? If you have 3 and 1 goes away. Take a look at your number line if you need help. 3 minus 1, hop back 1. You're at 2, yeah. 3 minus 1 is 2. So if you're writing this with me, to make it 2, you go down and around and slide to the right. What happens if you take 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1. If you need the number line, you can take 2, hop back 1, hop, and you're at 1, yeah. So we just counted backwards pretty much, right? Awesome. Will you say this pattern with me to double check that we have it right? Let's say it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. That pattern today was taking away 1 from every number. Good job. Awesome. So now that we've done our pattern, let's talk about our coin cup. We have lots of coins in our cup today. Help me count them all. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, we're gonna be rich today. Let's put our coins up on the board so we can see how much money we have. All right, hopefully that'll stay. Let's count up to 13. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. Thanks for sticking with me. And every penny is how much money? Do you remember how much every penny is? Just 1 cent. Yeah, 1 cent in each penny. So if we have 13 pennies, how much money do we have? How many cents do we have if we have 13 pennies? Yeah, 13 cents. Each penny is 1 cent. We have 13 cents. 1, 3, and then the cent sign, remember, is a little C with a line through it, like that. 13 cents. All right. Let's talk about the weather. Sing the weather song with me. Ready? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right. Today we're going to put up a sunny day. We're going to say that it's sunny today. Sing the sunny song with me. Ready? It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. Thank you. Yeah. So we have 1 sunny day and 1 cloudy day so far. All right. Let's talk about shapes for our last thing in math meeting today. What shape is this orange shape? Yeah, it's a triangle. And how can you tell? Because it has 3 sides, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides in a triangle. How about this one? What shape is this? Yeah, this is a circle. And it's a circle because it has no straight sides yet, right? No sides, no angles. How about this one? Yeah, this is a square, right? It has 4 sides, all the same length. And it has 4 angles too, right? 4 angles, 4 corners. How about this one? What's kind of like a square, but it has longer sides? Yeah, a rectangle. Yeah, a rectangle has 4 sides. They don't have to be the same length, and it has 4 angles. Good job, kindergartners. Thank you for sticking with me in math meeting. You did an awesome, awesome job.